Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to add bullet point to the table text in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open your document. Firstly, add bullet point. The table text is then we can see is that select table text option and going to the more option and click for the bullet point option, bullet list. So again select your table text and go to the more menu option and click for the bullet point, bullet list option. Then okay, then we can see is the add bullet point of the table text in Google Docs. I hope to enjoy the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.